How to delete Instagram story replies. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application. Go to the chat box. Go to the reply that you want to delete. Tap and hold on the reply for some time, and here you'll get the option of unsend, so tap on it. Similarly, follow the same steps to delete all those replies. Tap and hold on it and tap on unsend. The another method I'll teach you. Go to your profile, tap on this three horizontal line, scroll down, and here tap on message and story replies. Tap on story replies, and here you'll be able to delete all those replies that you want to delete, and there you'll be able to see the replies, story replies that you have, and will be able to delete it from there. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.